Hello viewers or subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Ka pyntriem, kadai ka nongshun jong ka hok long briew man briew, ong u Prime Minister Modi. Ka India kala Nongbam da kathma, ya ki pyntriem, namar u Prime Minister Modi, ula ong, baka pyntriem, kadai ka nongshun jong ka hok long briew man briew. U Prime Minister Modi, ula keren ya kane, hakmat ka US Congress, ha White House, hakaba, ula kentho ya ka Pakistan, kabalawan ra ya ki kamle no, lani ki pyntriem, persya ya ka India.
More than 2 decades after 9/11 and more than a decade after 26/11 in Mumbai, radicalism and terrorism still remain a pressing danger for the whole world. These ideologies keep taking new identity and forms, but their intentions are the same. Terrorism is an enemy of humanity, and there can be no ifs and buts in dealing with it. We must overcome all such forces sponsoring and exporting terror.